Hi guys, this video will be about the changes in humidity and the effect on the guitar. Some players or some guitar builders don't know exactly why it's important to look at humidity when gluing the braces and some other things on a guitar. So to explain what the changes in humidity can do with your guitar, I took the top plate and the back plate of my United Fingers guitar. It's the one I'm building in my other videos, so you can see in the other videos how they look like when the braces are glued. So they have a curve like this. Back plate 6 millimeters, the top plate 2 millimeters. Of course, back plate has a very heavy bracing when you compare it to the top plate, especially the lower side of the top plate. So if you want to see what the humidity changes has done, the change is about 15 or 16%. So we're going to take a closer look. This is the back plate. Remember, it has a curve like this. So the middle is higher, or was higher, than the two sides. This is something totally straight. You can see the gap in the middle, in the center, between the ruler and the back plate. So the curve is totally in the opposite direction. Normally this is not a problem. It will take its original form when humidity is higher. When the top plate is glued to the sides, it's also less a problem because the plate is fixed at the sides, but it will change, but not this extreme way. Now, when we take a look at the top plate, it had a curve 2 millimeters, so the center would be 2 millimeters higher than the sides when they're half a meter. So this is somewhat less, so it would be less. The gap between the ruler and the plate is even higher than the back plate. Of course, that's because of the lighter bracing on this guitar. So the braces will put less pressure on the top plate. For this also, when it's glued to the sides, the problem is gone. Not entirely gone, but in a big way gone, because the plate can't move as much as it could now. I hope this explains the problem, and guitar builders take a very serious look at humidity when gluing the braces, because now it's very dry in here. We glued with an average humidity for our country, for Belgium, which is about 45%. Now it's 28%. So this explains the changes. You can see it's flexible, so I can push it. I cannot push it in the state it was before, but you can see it's able to change when humidity rises.